Hello and welcome to this short video to give you some top tips for your graduate application form. It is vital that you have an understanding of the organisation, their values and culture, and the role that you are applying for. Start by looking at their website. Also then do a wider search so you can read news articles and gain more commercial awareness about the employer. It's also a good idea to get organised, have all the details or documents you're going to need as part of your application to hand. This might include your degree transcript, your national insurance details, or the details of the people you're going to ask to act as referees for you. It's also really important to make sure that your CV and that your LinkedIn profile are up to date and accurate. Some application forms will extract the information from your CV or from your LinkedIn profile, so it's even more important that the information is correct. Try to find a quiet space, and perhaps using a keyboard means that you're less likely to make typos and mistakes than if you're trying to use your phone keypad. View all the application forms if you can before you start. This will mean that you're going to know everything the form is going to ask of you, so you're going to be able to then decide when you want to give certain examples to the questions. So you're going to know what's coming up, which will then help you make the right decisions for what to include where. It sounds obvious to say follow the instructions, but actually it's really important that your potential employer can see that you have the ability to read, interpret and to follow guidelines. When you may say see CV rather than give a full answer, in some ways you're potentially telling your future employer that you can't be bothered to complete the question they're asking. So if they ask you a question, give a full answer. Do the legwork for them. Don't expect them to go and check your CV and find the information out they're asking. It's a good idea to use a word processing app just like Microsoft Word. This will allow you to be able to type your answer, use spell check, and also use the word count facility. So you're able to use all the words to be able to give a full answer. Then you can cut and paste your answer into the application form directly. The next tip of tailoring your application is perhaps the most important tip that I'm going to talk to you about today. It's vitally important that you tailor all your answers on your application form, because you're trying to concentrate on highlighting your skills and experience that are going to be relevant to the role and to the employer that you're hoping to work for. Sometimes looking at their website means you can look at the language they use. Mirroring the language in your answers looks like you're already kind of fitting in, that you're already part of the team, you're speaking their language. And also you can make sure that you are looking at their mission statement, looking at their values, looking at their culture, and to ensure that you're showing that you are somebody who has similar values and cultures to them as an organisation. Do use spell check, but also get a friend to proofread your application, as often it can be hard to see our own mistakes, especially when we're working very closely on a document. Do read through and double check that you filled in every section and that you're happy with what you're submitting. Save a copy, especially if you're doing lots of graduate applications. So if you are successful and you're going to progress to the next round, you're going to be able to go back and remind yourself what you said in the application form. This can be really useful when you're preparing for an interview. Many graduate applications will require you to pass numerical and verbal reasoning tests, so it's a good idea to get ahead of the game, start practicing these. Your careers team will be able to show you resources online, and your university library may well still stock books where you can do some practice. Thanks for listening. My last tip to share with you is go and speak to your careers team for more help with application forms and everything else to do with graduate recruitment. Thank you.